IBM Z Day brings you a full-blown online learning experience, with 75+ sessions, 100+ speakers, and 4 tracks, and it is completely free.
It should be no surprise that the Open Z track is all about open source, and IBM Z and Linux One. With a thrilling mix of use cases, technical insights, and of course Red Hat, this track is created for, with and by the open source community supporting IBM Z.
The IBM Z open source vision is truly open and embraces the hybrid model in all dimensions. Get the latest on SUSE, Ubuntu, and .NET, but also artificial intelligence and machine learning on IBM Cloud Hyper Protect virtual servers. And don't miss the celebrity keynote with Timbaland, Beat Club's Eric Czar, IBM's Melissa Sassy, and Aaron Rawls. Music creator culture meets IBM Z.